The Fiat Gamine, officially known as the Vignale Gamine, is one of the most unusual and characterful small cars to emerge from Italy in the late 1960s. Although often associated with Fiat, it was never a factory Fiat product. The Gamine was designed and built by Carrozzeria Vignale, the renowned Italian coach builder founded in 1948 by Alfredo Vignale, a company better known for shaping Maseratis, Ferraris, Alfa Romeos, and Lancias. The Gamine was introduced in 1967 and was based on the mechanical platform of the Fiat 500. It used the rear-mounted, two-cylinder, air-cooled engine from the Fiat 500 Sport, producing 21 brake horsepower. Power was modest, but the car weighed very little. With its short wheelbase, quick steering, and tiny proportions, the Gamine felt lively in urban driving. Top speed was around 60 miles per hour under ideal conditions, while fuel consumption regularly exceeded 40 miles per gallon. Visually, the Gamine was deliberately playful. Its upright grille, exposed headlights, boat-style body, and cut-down doors gave it a cartoonish, almost pre-war roadster appearance. Despite this, the build quality was typical of Italian coach-built cars of the period, stylish but not practical. Access was awkward, weather protection minimal, and motorway driving was demanding due to limited power and high noise levels. A crucial figure in the Gamine's story was Frixos Demetriou, a London-based Greek Cypriot entrepreneur and casino owner. In 1968, following a delayed flight in Milan, Demetriou noticed a Gamine in an airport car park and became fascinated by it. He negotiated with Vignale to become the UK importer, insisting on right-hand drive production. To prove his commitment, he ordered 200 cars outright and secured 6 months of RHD production. The Gamine debuted in the United Kingdom at the 1968 Earl's Court Motor Show. Media coverage targeted fashionable, style-conscious buyers, particularly women, and the car gained a cult following. Around 2,000 examples were built between 1967 and 1971, with approximately 800 sold by Demetriou, though only about 200 remained in the United Kingdom. Production ended in the early 1970s as tastes changed and small coach builders declined. Today, surviving Gamines are rare and highly collectible. Restored examples are prized for their charm, individuality, and connection to a brief, creative era of Italian automotive design. The Fiat Gamine remains a flamboyant symbol of 1960s optimism, style, and eccentric engineering.